wettest channel on the internet.
Are you ready? Yep, one more time. Welcome back, guys, and welcome back to the best place on earth. And you know what that is? It is on the water, and that's exactly what we're doing today. We're unloading the skis and get ready for the show. And I'm very excited because we're gonna ride today about 24 miles down south from Fort Myers and visit Lover's Key. We were there for last year's 4th of July, but we went by boat. This time we're gonna do it with the skis. And if by any chance you didn't see last year's video, well, you missed out on a very cool spot. But don't worry about it, you get to see it today. Alright, so let's go with the water show from the bottom and the top, because I think we're gonna get wet no matter what, but it's all good though. This is like a challenge every time we come out here. We gotta deal with the damn rain, but it's okay though. It's okay, because rain or shine, the show must go on, right? And talking about shows, if you guys want to catch how everything started right from the beginning, you guys can watch it now on Rumble Fresco Channel. And Rumble is another video platform hosting site, because like you already know, Top G got banned from everywhere except for there. You good? So there it is, guys. There it goes. The clouds. This is gonna turn out to be, instead of now you guys know why it's called the wettest channel on the internet, because we get wet from the top all the time. But it's not gonna stop us though. It is not. So we're about to go do some afternoon riding to hopefully where we're gonna go. The people are still there, because you know how the West Coast boaters are. It gets a little cloudy and late and they go home, but not us. When it gets cloudy and late, that's when we go out. Ain't that crazy? I guess we don't have a set time to go boating, but late. Well, you know what? I prefer to be on the water late than at home doing nothing, because I'm not a watching TV type of person.
And we have reached Miserable Mile, and I'm gonna take this time to answer a question that I got from my last jet ski video. And the question was, what is that beeping on the jet skis? Is it a warning signal? And the answer is no. These jet skis have cruise control, so every time you activate it or deactivate it, it makes the beeping noise. So that's what the beeping is all about. And to answer another question that I got is, how long does it take us from behind our house to Punta Rasa Bridge or Sanibel Bridge? And I'm gonna estimate, because I've never really timed it, but I'm gonna say anywhere from 35 minutes to 40 minutes. But that's not what we have to worry about today, because from now here we're gonna head down south to Lovers Key State Park, and that is located south of Fort Myers at Bonita Beach. And luckily today the surf is not that bad for the long ride. So sit back and relax, and we're gonna do the driving for you.
Made it to Key Lovers Island, and I can't believe how much sand it eroded away. At least 100 feet it went away. I remember I was here like maybe last year, and there was a lot of sand here, and now it's just gone.
Well, like you notice from the satellite picture that the sand is gone, but the people are not. This is a very popular spot by the locals because I'm going to show you in a few minutes. And also, I was surprised because even though the cloudy weather is around the corner, the local boaters are still here having some fun in the cloudy sun. And that's what I like to see, because rain or shine, we're going to enjoy our day. And that's how we live the sandbar life. And now I'm going to show you guys why the local boaters come to this spot. Not because of the beautiful sand, but also they could bring their best friends. this guy's friend is really big. What do you guys think? I guess I'm so used to Cookie and Yuli being so little that this guy looks huge. And as you can see, there's gonna be a lot of them hanging around, enjoying this sandbar life too. And if you have a best friend and you wanna bring him here, you can bring him by car or boat. That's how cool this place is. And this part is called Dog Lovers Beach. Well guys, I don't know about you, but I like this place. I mean, where else can you bring your friends and your four-legged best friend to have some fun in the sun? And also you get to enjoy a beautiful view and beautiful sand. Well, as you can see, we're having a great time here, but I'm still a little cautious about those gray clouds behind us. It looks like they're getting closer, so we might have to pick up and get going because I don't want to get caught in a thunderstorm on the jet skis. Plus, we have a long ride back, and I don't want to be dodging lightning strikes on the water.
Oh yeah.
touch the throttles, we start riding all the way through without stopping. And most of the ride we do sitting down, but sometimes we stand up. So like that, we give our body a little rest from all the shaking. And now we have reached Punta Rasa Sanibel Bridge. And so far so good, no rain and no thunder strikes.
Woo!
And look at that, guys, we made it back to our home channel without getting wet from the top. Still cloudy though, still cloudy. So here's another prime example that I say do not trust the Florida weather, because when we got up it was really cloudy and dark. And look at this, we went to an awesome place, hanged out for a few hours just because we took our chance with Mother Nature. And there's those days that when you get up it's beautiful and sunny, and all of a sudden it becomes a massive hurricane in 2 minutes. So the lesson for today is, just because a day starts off ugly, it doesn't mean it's gonna be a bad one. Because I think today ours turned out to be great.